In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in Asana. Linking tasks or creating dependencies is really useful when one task can't be started or completed until another one is done. It helps you keep your projects organized, avoid bottlenecks, and make sure everyone on your team understands what needs to happen first. Let's walk through the process step by step in a simple and clear way. First, open your Asana project and locate the tasks you want to work with. This will be the task that depends on another task, or the one you want to link to something else. Click on that task to open its detailed view. You'll usually see this on the right side of your screen, with all the task information like the description, assignee, due date, and other fields. Once the task pane is open, look for the option that says Add Dependencies. Depending on your layout and Asana updates, you might see it near the due date, or in the area where you manage task relationships. Go ahead and click on Add Dependencies. This is the feature that tells Asana that your current task is either waiting on another task or that another task will be waiting on this one. After you click Add Dependencies, Asana will prompt you to select the task you want to link. You can usually start typing the name of the task, and Asana will show a list of matching tasks from your projects. Take a moment to choose the correct one, especially if you have similarly named tasks. Click on the correct task from the list to confirm your selection. When you select the task, Asana will create the dependency between them. You'll see that your original task now shows that it is blocked by or waiting on the task you selected, or that it is blocking another task, depending on the option you chose. This makes it visually clear which work needs to be completed first. A quick tip: use dependencies for any work that truly can't move forward until something else is finished, like approvals, prerequisite research, or earlier phases of a project. This keeps your timeline realistic and helps your team prioritize. That's all you need to do to link tasks in Asana. Open the task, click on Add Dependencies,